Buongiorno and welcome back to House Hunters Italy. My name is Marisa Barilaro Sherrington. Welcome to Casa Gioia in beautiful Chianni in Toscana. Today's wonderful home is in my own village of Chianni in the rolling hills of Tuscany. So this incredible home that we're going to show you today, which is really quite special because it has things that oftentimes small village homes do not have. So it's a 150 square meters of living space over 3 levels. But the main living space is just over 2, and you'll see when you see the film what I mean by that. But the pièce de résistance, well, it has a few actually, but truly for me is that it has that rarity in a village, and that is it has the most magnificent garden. And I know so many of you out there want to live that Dolce Vita. Well, wait until you see this garden where you can spend hours on end under the shade or in the sun, sitting in a hot tub perhaps, drinking wine. I could see myself there with a lovely glass of rosé, looking out over the beautiful rolling Tuscan hills. It's beautiful, really truly is. It has 2 bedrooms, which are both master size, if you like, both double rooms. It has 3 bathrooms. It is fully restored. It is walk up, put your suitcase down and just start living your Tuscan Dolce Vita lifestyle. You might just want to change a little bit of the interior, though it is very contemporary. So it's going to really fulfill the dreams of a lot of people that I know prefer Italian style but with a modern touch. So it has your double glazing, it has central heating, it has air conditioning throughout. It has 2 kitchens, a pizza oven for those wonderful summer evenings. It has 2 car spaces. It's very private. It really has so much going for it. So let's just stop talking about it and let's show you this beautiful property now. Andiamo! So let's enter this lovely, elegant and very contemporary home, as you will soon see. This property has been fully renovated. Everything inside is exceptionally new, and there is nothing to do but to walk inside with your suitcases and start to live your Tuscan lifestyle. As you can see, the rooms are light and bright. This is a really well-equipped kitchen with everything you need, including a breakfast bar for casual living, directly off the living quarters on this first ground level. We leave and go across into the first of 3 bathrooms in this house. Each bathroom is completely restored, modernized, lovely details, tiles, rain shower head, lovely large showers throughout. It really is beautifully finished. Now let's make our way into the first of the main bedrooms of the house. So as you can see, we have a full-sized queen-size bed in this room. It has a large wardrobe, desk area or chest of drawers, so it is an ample, well-lit bedroom directly next to the bathroom. And we're going to come back and walk across the living space, which has this lovely little nook. I think that would make a great built-in office space for someone. You could build in a beautiful desk under the stairs, and let's make our way up to the top floor. Now we've reached the top floor of the home with, again, straight away we have a second full bathroom or shower room, again with a lovely size glassed in shower, lots of light, natural light. So I love bathrooms with ample natural light. Of course, you have your heated towel rails throughout. And then let's come into the second of what I would call the master rooms. Now I would have this as my master bedroom. It has a lovely built-in fireplace, TV on the wall there for those that like to watch in bed, and the pièce de résistance, a lovely breakfast terrace here where you can come out and look at those spectacular Tuscan views from your own bedroom terrace. How glorious is that? Of course, all fittings and fixtures in this home are new, so your doors are double glazed, you have new shutters throughout, all electricals and plumbing are new throughout. It really is a beautifully finished modern home. What a cozy bedroom. I can imagine having that fireplace lit on a very cold winter's day. Now we are going to enter a truly magical part of this home, something that is so rare to find in a hilltop village, and that is your own private garden. And what a garden it is! It is an ample, beautiful garden. They've created this wonderful shade area for entertaining, having your wonderful alfresco dinners and lunches. There's room for a small pool, even if you wanted to pop one in amongst the gorgeous olive trees. You have lawn areas if you were to have animals, if you had a puppy, for example, running about. They actually do have that wonderful area with a hot tub spa already there. Hammocks in the shade for your after lunch siestas. And a wonderful garden shed to keep all your garden knickknacks. Then the final surprise of this lovely home is this incredible downstairs cantina area, which is fully livable. They have done a beautiful job. Look at that wonderful pizza oven. Can you imagine creating pizzas down here for your summer parties in the garden? And look at this. You have a fully equipped kitchen with stovetop ovens, fridges, everything you need. So pizzas galore, cooking for out in the garden. You have this gorgeous stone-walled area here with a small seating area that is your internal steps to upstairs inside the house. So 2 ways of getting to this cantina area, which is very, very convenient. That is a small sofa bed they put in there for extra guests. Look at these wonderful, wonderful architectural features down here, which are the original features of the home. There is another little seating nook here, doorways outside, lots of natural light downstairs in this cantina, which is just wonderful. And then you have the third and final bathroom, which is a gorgeous small bathroom, stone walls, gorgeous tiling throughout, and everything you could absolutely need or desire. So you can use this bathroom when you're outside in the garden with your guests, or you might have a guest stay downstairs. But what more could you ask for in your wonderful Tuscan getaway? I can't wait to read your comments on these ones. Please let us know what you think. This wonderful property in the heart of stunning Chianni is priced at €325,000, negotiable. Now Chianni is just 40 minutes drive from Pisa International Airport. It's about 30 minutes from Volterra, 45 minutes from San Gimignano, and it is on a very, very good bus route that will take you directly from Chianni to a town called Pontedera, where there are major train lines in both directions to towards the west, towards Pisa, Lucca, etc., or to the east, it will take you directly to Florence, where you can head north or south. So you have wonderful connections for transport. You have all the facilities that you could possibly want. And if you want to see more of Tuscany, but in particular more of Chianni, of this particular village, just jump onto our other channel, Tales from Tuscany, where you'll see our lifestyle channel with our travels, our home renovations, and you'll really get a feel for what Chianni lifestyle is all about. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to jump onto our website, househuntersitaly.com, if you'd like to contact us via the contact page, if you'd like any other information about this property or any others you've seen on our channel. And until next time, thank you, arrivederci, alla prossima, ciao!